Hello everyone. In our 2-minute revision lesson today, we will be discussing the topic conjugal roles and debates about gender equality within the family from the unit family. Conjugal roles refer to the roles played by partners in a marriage, especially how responsibilities like paid work, housework, and childcare are divided. The distribution of these roles has been at the heart of many sociological studies. Wilmot and Young 1957 studied working-class families in London and found that men were the main breadwinners, while women handled most of the housework and childcare. Men held more social power and made key decisions in the household. However, when they repeated their study in the 1970s, they observed that things had changed. They argued that roles within families had become more symmetrical, meaning both partners shared chores, decisions, and childcare more equally. They believe this shift was due to better education and job opportunities for women, geographical mobility and rising social status, women's increasing power in economic and social spheres. However, feminist sociologists challenged this view. And Oakley 1974 rejected the idea of a symmetrical family and argued that patriarchy still controlled the division of domestic labor. According to her, housework remained a woman's job and equality was far from achieved. Later studies supported Oakley's claims. Craig 2007 found that women do significantly more housework than men, about 1/3 to 1.5 times more. This imbalance worsens after marriage, a phenomenon known as the partnership penalty. Walters 2018 also discovered that men and women interpret leisure time differently. While men saw all time outside paid work as leisure, women still performed unpaid domestic tasks. Edgell 1980 studied decision-making in middle-class couples and found very important decisions, like finance, were made by men. Important decisions, like children's welfare, were shared. Less important decisions, like food shopping, were made by women. In terms of emotional labor, Duncombe and Marston 1995 found that women take responsibility for the emotional well-being of the family. This means they often do a triple shift: paid work, housework, and emotional work. Dunn 1997 explored lesbian couples and argued that without traditional gender scripts, lesbian relationships were more egalitarian and symmetrical. However, other researchers suggest that inequality can still exist in both heterosexual and homosexual couples, depending on income and social context. In conclusion, although there have been changes in conjugal roles, gender inequality in the family remains an ongoing debate in sociology. Dear students, remember the resource is always here for a quick, easy revision whenever you need a boost. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.